So finally Vivo V9 is here and it's a great device from Vivo. They improved the camera, given all the record sensors, also given the new 18:9 display just like the Apple iPhone X. Anyway, they have given AI support to the camera, which is great thing I will say. And what I like the most is the Ultra HD mode in the camera option, which is just awesome I will say. So now what we need in the upcoming Vivo V10. The first thing is the metal body, sadly, which is missing in the Vivo V9. Next thing is the processor. They have given the Snapdragon 626, which is a good processor, but the Snapdragon 626 is an old processor. They should have given the new Snapdragon 636 or 660. And the last thing is the display. They should have given at least Super IPS Plus display. In the Vivo V9 they have given the normal IPS panel. Anyway, they should improve this thing in the Vivo V10 and hope for the best. So that's it for today. Me Pavitra signing off. See you in the next video. Till then, take care.